Okay, it's gonna be part 11 on the Rx8 build. The front bumper, the used front bumper I got, was beat to snot. So I actually spent like 7 hours yesterday just filling it, sanding it, filling it, sanding it, filling it, primered it, find some more pinholes, fix those, blah, 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 blah. So it set me way behind. I wanted to have this in paint yesterday, paint and clear, but there's no way. I mean, I didn't get this ready for paint until late last night. It took the whole freaking day. That's the trouble with buying used parts online. Like the pictures are okay, but then when you get it, it's like, ooh. I wouldn't have paid the money that I paid for this bumper if I had seen it with my own eyes, because it was expensive. But I'll show you guys that, and then we're gonna paint this bumper and clear it, and then we'll put it together tomorrow. So I'll show you where it is at the minute. So it's just in primer, but it's it's been sanded back. It needs to be wax and grease removed, tack cloth, and painted blue. But this thing was just destroyed. I mean, it had road rash, and it had been painted before, and whoever did it didn't really do a great job. And yeah, so it just took a lot longer than it should have. But yeah, so we're gonna paint that today. We're gonna put some blue on it, and then clear it, and that's it. Okay, so end of part 11, it's painting, clear coating the bumper. I just clear coated this 10 minutes ago. The second coat was put down 10 minutes ago. So clear coat, you know, when you put it on, it has to, it kind of sinks and levels out and does all that stuff. But I'll give you a quick look at it, even though it hasn't done any of that stuff yet. It's still gonna look pretty good. I didn't get too much crap in it, which is nice, especially considering where I paint, right? It turned out pretty good. That DeVilbiss spray gun it's a monster of a machine. It does just a great job. Close up. Whoa. So yeah, turned out nice. I've painted bumpers before in my channel, so it's kind of like doing the same thing again, right? But yeah, that's going to be the end of part 11. Part 12 will be, you know, putting that all together, slapping it on the car. It's done. It's done. I got to deal with the DMV and get a number plate for it, and it's ready to go. So, yeah, there you go. Quick video on painting a bumper.